Today we're here with Dr. Louise Achey talking about medication safety. Dr. Louise is a doctor of pharmacy training your family physician in drug therapy for the last 20 years and also a practicing pharmacist for the last 34 years. She does a newspaper column on a weekly basis, and she's here to talk to us today about why dogs can't eat chocolate, how medicine works, and how you can take it safely. It's her newest book. Welcome, Dr. Louise.
Thank you, Linda. I'm glad to be here.
When reading your book, I noticed that there was something called the 3Ds. Can you please explain that to us?
The 3Ds are the foundation for taking your medication safely. Much like the 3Rs, reading, writing, and arithmetic, form the foundation of our general education, which you learned in school. The first D is the drug, the name of the medication that you're taking. The second D is the dose, which is how much you're taking and how often you're taking it. The third D is the diagnosis, which is why you're taking it or what you're taking it for. For example, you may be taking medicine for your heart, for your blood sugar, or for sleep. So the 3Ds again, the drug, the dose, and the diagnosis.
Why is that important for us to know?
The 3Ds are important because pills can kill. Medication is supposed to make us better or feel better, but sometimes it can harm us. In fact, the fourth leading cause of death in the United States today, behind heart disease, cancer, and stroke, is an adverse reaction to a medication. 50% of adverse drug reactions are preventable, and the 3Ds are the key to the number one strategy that you can do today to help protect you and your family from a deadly medication mishap. This strategy is making a medication list and including on that list the 3Ds for each of the medicines you're taking, each prescription medicine, over-the-counter remedy, herbal product, or food supplement. So for each of those, you have the drug name, the dose, and the diagnosis, or why you're taking it. The other key to having this medication list is keep it up and keep it with you. Don't leave home without your medication list. Show it to all your doctors, take it to every visit, every time.
So, Dr. Louise, why are the 3Ds vital for us to know and our family members?
Your doctor has selected your medicines based on your medical conditions and what you're already taking, as well as any allergies or adverse reactions you've had in the past. What's perfectly safe for you could be the worst possible choice for someone else. Even one dose of the wrong medicine could put someone in the hospital or even in the morgue.
I noticed in the back of your book that you have something called a pillbox worksheet. Tell us how that works.
Pill boxes are great, but they can be pretty confusing to do at first. So I created a Ask Dr. Louise pillbox worksheet to walk you through the steps of filling a pill box quickly and completely to ensure that you get just the right amount of pills in each compartment. You know, we are very, very busy, and sometimes you can just have a senior moment and think, did I take my pills today? If you don't use a pill box, you're forced to guess as to whether you took them. And if you guess wrong and take a second dose of medication, you take the risk of joining the 200 people that will die today from an unintentional overdose of prescription medicine. If you use a pill box and you can't remember if you've taken your pills, just walk over to the pill box, flip open the compartment, look inside, and if there's no pills in there, you've taken your medicine for today.
If somebody wants more copies of your pillbox worksheets, how do they get them?
I have in the back of my book, Why Dogs Can't Eat Chocolate, How Medicines Work and How You Can Take Them Safely. There's a pillbox worksheet in the back of the book. But you can also download free of charge from my website anytime, AskDrLouise.com on the products page.
Thanks for coming in and talking with us today about an important subject, Dr. Louise.
You're welcome.